We going camping? Are you excited? Are we going camping? Did you sleep in a big boy bed? Yeah! On your first camping trip? Did you sleep in a big boy bed? Good job, buddy! Gary's walking him more than he's walking Gary. Somebody just woke up from his nap and got himself out of his big boy bed. He's looking pretty proud of himself right now. Putting his shoes on all by himself. Good job, buddy. Campfire roast beef sandwiches with some Caesar salad. Thanks, Chef Alex. Oh, somebody wants some. You can't just keep eating graham crackers and chocolate. You gotta wait till the s'more's done. Say thank you.
Here you go, bud.
Can you say thank you?
Is it good? Yeah.
Come on. Going on a little hike? Exploring the woods? You were the first.
You were the first to sleep in the basket with the yellow ribbon wound around. You were the first to cry. You were the first to smile.